You are all welcome to grade 6 science class week 1. Our first strand will be diversity of matter, substrand, living and non-living things. Under living and non-living things, we are going to focus on root system of plants. Root system of plants. Some keywords are root system, tap roots, fibrous roots, photosynthesis, chlorophyll, nutrients, leaves, stem, and flower. I'll mention the keywords again. Root system, tap root, fibrous root, photosynthesis, chlorophyll, nutrients, leaves, stem, and then flower. I hope you have heard some of these words before. Okay, so we're going to delve into the lesson. We learned from our previous classes that plants are living things that grow in the soil. I hope that is right. Just like the human body, plants have different parts. Can you mention some of the parts of plants? Good. So let us look at the parts of a plant. Look at this plant carefully and tell me what you can see. Okay, so you can see the flower, you can see the leaf, you can see the fruits, you can see the stem, and you can see the root. Now, I want you to carefully observe the roots of this plant. At the end of the lesson, I'll ask you some few questions about it. Look at it again. So looking at the picture, we can conclude that plants have roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. Not forgetting fruits. All the parts of plant work together to help the plant to grow. The root is found in the soil. It anchors the plant firmly in the soil. It also absorbs water and nutrients from the soil and sends them to other parts of the plant. The stem is the middle part of the plant. It supports the upper parts of the plant, including the branches and leaves. The leaves are the most important part of a plant. Leaves are the parts of the plant that make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. The leaves of plants contain a green coloring liquid known as chlorophyll. Please observe the word chlorophyll. The leaves of plants contain a green coloring liquid known as chlorophyll. The flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. It is the part of the plant that makes seeds and fruits. Now, in this lesson, we shall learn how to classify plants based on their root system. Ready? Let's jump in. Different kinds of plants have different roots. The kind of root a plant has depends on the type of plant. Plants have two main root systems. These are the tap roots and fibrous roots. I have a picture below that shows the two different types of plants. Please observe the picture carefully. So here is our picture. We have the tap roots and the fibrous roots. The tap roots and the fibrous roots. What can you see? What are some of the differences between these two root systems? Can you also notice some similarities? Plants with tap roots. What are they? Plants that have one main root pointing down into the soil with smaller roots growing around it are known as tap roots. The taproot system allows plants to anchor better in the soil because they grow deep into the soil. This makes it very difficult to uproot them. I hope you agree with me. They are also able to absorb water and nutrients from deep down the soil. Some examples of plants with tap roots are mango plant, okra plant, orange plant, pawpaw plant, and pepper plant. We have a lot which you can research and add on. Plants with fibrous roots have many small or tiny roots without a main root. Fibrous roots branch off sideways throughout the soil. In a fibrous root system, the roots grow close to the surface of the ground. This allows the roots to absorb water and minerals over a large surface area. Also, plants with fibrous roots are easily uprooted, unlike plants with tap roots. Before I end my lesson for today, let's ask ourselves some few questions to reflect on the lesson. Look at the picture on your screen. Question 1. Can you identify the plant in the picture? Then 2. What type of root system does it have? Alright, so there's a class activity on the next slide. I wish you all the best. Until then, see you some other time. Bye bye.